Are you on your way to Marriott Grande Vista and you want to see what a studio villa looks like? Well, be sure to stick around. We're going to head inside ours and check it out right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Before we head inside here and check out this studio room, this studio villa at Marriott Grande Vista, I want to let you know on this channel, I provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most of your timeshare ownership. Even if you don't own timeshare, but you love visiting these fantastic timeshare resort properties. I also do villa tours, resort tours, and resort reviews as well. So be sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below, and also click on that notification bell, and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's head inside here. We're going to take a look at our studio villa, Marriott Grande Vista in Orlando, Florida. Okay, so we're right inside the door here. Let me just get that closed. You're going to find a small kitchenette, just a small refrigerator here. Looks like no real freezer in there at all. We are in the Golf Village section, but just a small kitchenette. You do have a toaster, you have a coffee maker, starting supplies, number of additional items here, dish soap. There is some laundry detergent back there. Kind of everything you need here. Kitchen towels, enough glassware for 2 people up here, and I'm sure there's dinnerware up here for 2 as well. So yeah, nice little kitchenette area here, and a microwave under there, and it does look like a drawer up here that has your silverware. Might be something under the sink here that we want to take a look at. Not really, just your trash, and maybe an extra roll of paper towels back there. Yeah, just a little kitchenette area here. Nothing really fancy, nothing too extravagant in these studio villas. The main living area is back there, the bedroom, living area, bed. We're gonna go in here and take a look at the bathroom. So in here you do have a single vanity, toilet, and a shower here. Bathtub with a shower actually. So that's definitely pretty nice. Doesn't look like this has been freshly renovated. They are doing a full round of renovations at this resort. So at some point in time, they will get to this villa. Now let's head in here a little bit further. There's a locked door there. That's probably where the AC unit is. But in here is the bedroom and living area here. You do have a king-size bed, a couple of nightstands, alarm clock, some lamps. They do have exposed USB and power outlets on them. So that's definitely pretty cool. Right here is the air conditioning control. That usually goes down when we get here. This is the lock-off door because we are only on the studio side. So that is what goes over to the 1 bedroom. And in here, you do have a closet, it looks like, ironing board, some additional pillows, probably for the pull-out sofa that we'll take a look at here in a little bit, some hangers, in-room safe, and a full-length mirror. Right beside that, you do have not too bad of a television, not too big, not too small. Some drawers. The only kind of drawback of these rooms, these studio villas, is they don't have a lot of storage. And like I said, you have a nightstand over here on the other side of the bed. There's that king-size bed again. And here is the pull-out sleeper sofa. Should pull out into a queen-size bed. Kind of a nice little kind of coffee table ottoman deal there. And over here, just 2 chairs and a table, kind of your dining area right there. Mirror on the wall, but not too much else in the way of decoration. It is nice though. They do also have a ceiling fan up there, so that'll keep the air circulating here in these hot Florida spring days right now. Now let's head out and we're going to take a look at the patio. Yeah, so heading out here to the patio. Not too much going on out here, just a small patio. It does just have 2 chairs and a small table. I don't see any power outlets out here. There is no ceiling fan out here, and it is not screened in either. So kind of common with the studio villas here at Grande Vista. They never have screened in balconies, screened in patios. But we are in the golf village, and our villa does actually look out over the golf course here. So kind of one of the first times we've been here that we've actually had a golf course view. We've had lake views, we've had pool views, but we've never had golf course views. Okay, so there you have it. Just a quick walkthrough of the studio villa here at Marriott's Grande Vista in Orlando, Florida. Kind of curious, do you have a trip planned here in the near future? Love to hear all about it down in the comments below. And if you have any questions about this resort, about the villas, all of the different phases, check out my resort tour video. I'll post a link to it right up here. But also, if you have more questions after that, be sure to leave a comment down below as well. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos. And to see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video from here at Marriott's Grande Vista, check out this one right up here and YouTube. They think you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.